How to create Bank of America account online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Bank of America. Head over to the very first site. You will be landing on this interface. Once you're in the official page of Bank of America, click on Login at the top right. Click on Continue to log in. It will lead you to this page. In this page, what you want to do is simply click on Enroll. It will redirect you to the page where you'll be able to sign up for your account. In this page, firstly what you want to enter is the last digit of your card or account number. Once you have entered, enter the social security number or tax ID number. If you don't have your SSN or TIN number, click on I don't have an SSN or TIN number. Follow the on-screen process and then click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, your Bank of America account will be created successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create Bank of America account online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.